Hello everyone and welcome back to Beef Reacts. Today, we're checking out Chainsaw Man episode number 5. And in the last episode, Denji was made a promise and his dream is going to be fulfilled. He's going to touch some titties. I feel like numero 3 is going to fuck all of this up for him. And I'm going to hate it because I want my boy to be happy, alright? He deserves it. He's earned them. And we'll see where that goes. Do it. The confidence. Denji. Do it. They drew those bigger for this one, I swear to God. Don't lie to him. Don't lie to my boy Denji like that. Yeah, I was gonna say, those are... I guess that makes me the pervert, but I notice body autonomy, and if I can't immediately comment on anime characters' titties, then they don't have titties. It is that fucking simple. This is anime we're talking about. This isn't real life. Ah, that doesn't count. I've been lied to. King? I have no real reason to hunt devils any longer. Oh my god, she's leaving. I love it. Meow, he was just there for the fuck of it. Does he... It was a small step to pay, but I believe it was one. King, don't say that's it. All right? You're a man, goddammit. You touch titties once, you touch titties 1,000 times, it's the same as fucking touching them once. All right? I am shocked that you would say that's it. It's not it. You just gotta find a pair. You gotta find a person attached to the fucking meat sweaters. Is that what they're called? No, that's what it's... You gotta find something attached to the balls of fat around her chest that you enjoy personally. And if that's not power, then you're never gonna enjoy the tit touch. I'm sorry, Denji. That's just the fucking reality of the situation. Sometimes you touch titties, sometimes titties touch you. It is what it is. I could just... When you're fondling a pair that you don't personally want to be with for longer than the tit fondle, it's kind of fucking worthless, to be completely real. Still fun, alright? Alright? But ultimately kind of fucking worthless. That's all I'm saying. Well, you've fulfilled your dream, now what? Was he happy? Oh my god. I am. Chop. How is this your fault? What is... Homie, don't sit there and say that's it. What the fuck is your problem? You got to do the thing! You're gonna sit here and have a vain goal and then achieve your vain goal, which honestly, you could have gone to a fucking street corner with 20 bucks and found a nice lady who'd let you do what fucking Power just did. To be completely real with you, Denji, it's not that hard. Alright? I'm pretty sure a girl at the bar would let you do that shit for fucking free drinks. No offense, by the way, I'm not shitting on these women. I want it to be clear right now, I am not shitting on these women. Do what you gotta do for a drink, say what you gotta say, unless you're in a committed relationship with another person, then you and your partner's boundaries are you and your partner's boundaries. However, comma, if you are single, if you are out there and you want a free drink, fucking do it. It's not my business to tell you what the fuck to do. However, comma, if you're in a relationship, that's a different conversation. Point being is, Denji, you could have fucking had this dream accomplished. You could have had this dream accomplished when you were in debt. You were just fucking dumb and chose to eat food like an idiot. That's a lie. I touched titties. I'll be honest with you, I touched them.
俺はずっと追いかけていたもんをやっと掴んだんです。でもいざ掴んでみるとそんなもんは俺が思っていたより大したことなくて。もしかしたらこれから俺がまた何か違うもんを追いかけて掴んだ時も追いかけてた頃の方が幸せだったって思うんじゃねえのかって。
Yeah, that's what a dog is.
そんなのクソじゃないですか。
No, it's not total bullshit. Listen, the chase is just as important as the reward itself, but like, okay. There's a way to say this and then there's a way not to say this. So I'll start with the way not to say this. If the reward isn't worth the chase that you put into it, then it probably wasn't a good reward. And a lot of relationships. I'm personally a heterosexual man, so I can really only speak on that behalf, but from a girl that's chasing a guy, from a guy that's chasing a guy, girl that's chasing a girl, they, them chasing they, them, whoever the fuck across the sexual spectrum, I don't care. Point being is that some people really aren't worth the chase that you put into them. And it feels like they are, but then you have it, and then everything's the same. And you really realize that it wasn't worth the time, the effort, the energy, because they really were just fucking no personality having ass dumb bitches. Unique and special in their own way, but had no fucking personality. And then afterwards, when they're dating like a senator or some shit, you don't feel bad because you're like, yeah, that guy is just as boring as she is. And the chase made sense. The chase made as much sense as the reward. And no, women are not a reward. The relationship is the fucking reward with that person. Relationships are rewards. Stop treating them like they're not. They are. Like, your friendships are rewards. Your things are rewards because it shows how kind, caring, and thoughtful you as an individual are towards other people and how that can be reciprocated, fostered, and grown through time. But like Denji, the issue is that the reward wasn't worth the chase. Like, you chased so fucking heavy for this one thing that there was no way for that reward to ever live up to it. So it's not about just setting realistic expectations and standards. It's about knowing yourself and knowing the things that matter. Especially with partner choosing. Like, I say every day how I'm lucky. Because I am to have a partner that I have. I'm insanely lucky, but it doesn't change the fact that the chase was worth it. Damn, it was worth it. One day I'll go into that story because it's a wild story that involves Death Note, a show that I vehemently love to death, but I do not want to be recommended. If you recommend it, anime recommendation, question of the day, what's your anime recommendation? If you pick if you say Death Note, I want you to know there's a possibility that I just delete your comment. I just want that to be known. I'm saying it out front right fucking now. Do not get mad about it. Thank you. I touched titties. Were they big? Well, she kind of made it horrible for you.
相手のことを理解すればするほど気持ちよくなれると。
Agreed.
相手の心を理解するのは難しいことだから。最初は手をじっくり観察してみて。
She is using the fuck out of him right
指
now.
の長さはどれくらい？手のひらは冷たい？暖かい？耳の形は？
I mean, yeah, that's all stuff that you do during
指を噛
sex,
ま
but
れたことはある？
かま
覚えて。デンジ君の目が見えなくなっても、私の噛む力で私だってわかるくらいに。
yeah, been there.
覚えて。
I been here, yeah.
覚えました。
King? She's using him. This is the definition of using him. I'll let you hit if you be a good boy.
デンジ君、お願いがあるんだけど。
Yep, knew it.
いいかな？
She is using his ass so fucking hook, line, and sinker.
銃の悪魔を倒してほしいの。
銃の悪魔。
13年前、米国に出現して、今もどこにいるかわからない。すべてのデビルハンターが殺したがっている、とっても強い悪魔。私ね、デンジ君なら殺せると思うんだ。
Because he's made of chainsaws.
君は他のデビルハンターの誰よりも特別だから。もしもデンジ君が銃の悪魔を殺せたら、私が君の願い事、何でも一つ叶えてあげる。
デンジ君が銃の悪魔を殺せたら、マキマさんが俺の願い事、何でも一つ叶えてあげる。
Yes, those are the words that she just said.
それって、それはつまり、デンジ君が銃の悪魔を殺したら、マキマさんが願い事何でも一つ叶えてあげるっつうことですか？
To quote a great man, to quote a hero of mine, to quote somebody who really changed the game for everyone out there, Issei Hyodo from High School DxD, you can fit a whole lot into one little anything. Just saying.
何でもって、例えば
何でもだよ、デンジ君。
すげえ。なことあってもいいんですか？
No, it's technically considered rape, Denji, but you are too young. Well, you're not too young. You're mentally 5, so I don't believe you actually know that this is considered rape. But because she's in a position of power, she's offering you quite literally the definition of a quid pro quo. But because you're a sex-starved teenage male, we're gonna think it's funny. And when the abuse comes out, no one's actually going to listen to you, and that's going to be sad and everything, but it's fine because you were complicit in it, and it doesn't matter that you were a child. I'm sorry, but this is just the state of the world, and yeah, good luck.
んなことあってもいいくらい強くて悪い悪魔なの。悪魔対策に世界中が銃で儲けようとしてた時期に、銃を使った事件や内戦が増えたんだ。メディアも活発にニュースを取り上げ、銃が前よりも怖がられるようになったあたりかな。
Oh, we just restarting the episode. Cool. Let's see, where are we? I did want to pause and talk about that. It's an interesting thing because like an increase in the amount of guns somewhere does not correlate to an increase in crime, especially violent crime, believe it or not. It's like there's a lot of interesting factors that like predominate it and like do a lot of stuff with crime. And like it seems interesting in the I can't think of words. I'm trying to think of words and I can't think of words. Oh my god, my thing. I don't care. Matthew, not the time. Because a certain crime is caused more on poverty. A lot of people say crime is based on poverty. True. I don't really know where, in the nicest way possible, I don't really know where rape and murder fall into that. Like, because I've been poor. I've been poor before. And I will say not having money did not make me want to rape somebody more. Because that's a crime of power. By the way, I don't want to rape people in general at all. By the way, just to be clear, I don't ever want to do that. It's a disgusting, horrible fucking crime. That should be a trigger warning. But like, you know what I mean? So I feel like an increase of guns, like, I guess. But then you have like a place like Sweden or Denmark or Switzerland, one of those countries or some shit, some Norwegian country that has everyone carrying for whatever reason, and it's like the lowest lowest crime rate in the world or some shit. So it's like it's an interesting conundrum, and I do like reading studies about it. I like reading studies about anything, to be honest. I'm a curious cat, which is why I'm probably gonna die young.
メディアも活発にニュースを取り上げ、
Yeah, the news will do that.
前よりも怖がられるようになったあたりかな。アメリカで銃を使った大きなテロが起こったの。
9/11 too.
その日に銃の悪魔が現れた。
これが僕の住んでいるところさ、と都会のネズミは言いました。その家のなんと大きかったことでしょう。都会のネズミの家族は外でキャッチボールしてよ。
太陽の具合が良く
Oh,
ない
he's gonna die.
一人でできる遊びをしなさい。
そんなのいつもだろ。太陽が元気な時なんてないじゃん。お兄ちゃんなんだから我慢して一人で遊びなさい。
You shouldn't tell me what to do. First off, not your prerogative.
僕、お兄ちゃんと遊びたい。
One of these kids is gonna die. Or this is that one guy losing his entire family. Bro, you just asked me to play fucking catch with you, and now you're gonna pull this shit? Fuck you.
うざい。ついてくんなよ。俺は一人で遊べるんだ。
Get fucked, loser.
バカ、やめろって言ってるだろ。
Yeah, but I didn't cut it out. What are you gonna do about it?
冷て。
Yeah, that's normally what happens.
お前が風邪ひくと俺が怒られんだよ。キャッチボールなら手冷たくならないだろ。だ
Yeah.
からグローブ取ってこい。
He's not gonna be there when he gets back. He's gonna be dead. This ends with him dead somehow. No, wait. This either ends with him dead or... Oh!
だいたい5分弱で120万人を殺した後、
Jesus fucking Christ.
銃の悪魔は今日まで姿。
How could... What the fuck? 1.2 million people killed in 5 fucking seconds? Excuse me?
を消している。その後、悪魔そのものに対する恐怖が高まって、すべての悪魔が以前よりも力が強くなったの。
So is Denji the chainsaw
銃の
devil?
悪魔を少しでも弱くするために、銃所持の基本厳罰化、事件、災害などの報道が規制されるようになった。
Wouldn't that technically make it worse? Because it's like, right? Because like the concept of the Second Amendment, at least within the United States, comes from at least the Bill of Rights. The first 10 amendments are supposed to be things that like are inherent to every human being. And before you say humans aren't born with guns, the concept is that if I were to take an animal in the wild and corner it, would it fight me back? If I were trying to kill an animal, would it fight me back? Yeah, right? If I tried to kill somebody, they try to fight me back. Yeah. So, like, the concept, I guess, for the Second Amendment is that, like, they recognize that there is a inherent thing within the human spirit to fight back against people that are trying to hurt it. So they wanted to make sure that when you have oppressive governments, after fighting an oppressive government off, you are able to be armed in retaliation. Is at least what I understand about it. And I could always be wrong. Like, you're here to watch me react to fucking Chainsaw Man, not talk like politics. I'm just saying, like, I'm not here to be right. I'm not here to be wrong. I'm just sharing my thoughts of like, yeah, it's bringing up a real world issue, and the real world issue is very important, and it's always a hot button topic because it's like, yeah, you don't want people to die. No one wants, like, people don't want people to die. I shouldn't say that. There's a lot of people that want people to die, but you know what I mean.
なんかよくわからないけど、なんかよくわからないくらい強いやつですね。
デンジ君なら倒せると思う？
まあ、なんていうか、俺がすっげえドカンと頑張れば大丈夫でしょ。
You'll be dead.
それならまずは銃の悪魔を見つけなきゃだね。
Well, if that's the case, I can't say that. But Power's like, you get 3 fondles. She's like, you get 3 positions.
どうやってそいつは見つけるんです？
これは集めた銃の悪魔の肉片。移動速度が速すぎて体が少し焦げ落ちたみたい。悪魔がこの肉片を食べると銃の悪魔の力でどんな悪魔でも力を増すの。ほら、くっついた。
は
銃の悪魔はとっても強い悪魔だからね。この肉片がある程度の大きさになれば元の体の場所に戻ろうとするみたい。だからこの肉片をもっと大きくすれば銃の悪魔にたどり着く。
That's kind of hype.
やっぱり銃野郎の肉片食べてたか。雑魚悪魔にしちゃ強かったからな。食べたのか食べさせたのか。
どっちでもやることは同じです。悪魔は全部殺す。
I'm not gonna. Oh, so he was the little kid who lost the family there. That makes sense. It's gonna be dope. I feel like what we're about to see is gonna be some fucking dope shit, though.
その先に奴がいる。
It's
公安に
Cecile.
悪魔の駆除要請。ホテル内部で悪魔の目撃。ホテルの宿
I
泊
love
者の
Denji
生存
shoes,
不
like
明。
no cap.
駆除に当たった民間のデビルハンター複数人が死亡。おそらく銃の悪魔の肉片を食べている悪魔です。公安大麻得意4課6人を出動させます。
このホテル内のどこかに潜んでいる。それもこれはただの悪魔じゃない。銃の肉片を食べた悪魔がいる。銃の悪魔。
Why doesn't Denji just eat a piece of the gun devil's flesh to become more powerful? Wouldn't that help? Like, are you pulling out Jujutsu Kaisen type shit here, or what's going on?
肉片が大きいほど強く引き寄せられる。この程度じゃ違う。 そうなんだ。
いいのそれ、わしによこせ。
お前ら敬語はどうした？
は？何の得もねえのに誰がてめえに敬語使うかよ。
Your breath
早川
stinks.
先輩。
先輩。
よし。
They're both so fucking sweet. They're both so sweet and stupid, and I fucking love it.
こいつ
先輩、これから一緒に悪魔と戦う仲間としてそいつらに背中任せて大丈夫なんですか？片方は魔人でもう片方はチンピラ。それは信用できません。こいつらに背中は任せない。悪魔駆除には基本この二人を先行させる。逃げたり悪魔に寝返った場合は俺たちが殺す。
It is that simple.
そうみたいな扱いじゃな。
You are live shock.
真剣はない。
こいつめっちゃキレてんじゃん。朝のあれのせいだな。
あのいたずらはさすがにまずかったな。
あれはいたずらレベルじゃねえ。
怖っ。何があったの？アキくん、厳しくしてばっかじゃかわいそうだよ。
そうだぜ。コウモリに殺されかけたと思ったらすぐ仕事だ。褒美くれ。
おお。よし、私が一肌脱いでやろう。今回の悪魔を倒した人にはなんと私がほっぺにキスしてあげまーす。
I'm with it. Again, I don't know if I'm sick. I've just been waking up super stuffy.
そんなことはやめてください。
Nope, I'm with it.
そんなみだらな。
ご褒美あった方がやる気出るでしょ。
Yes, it does. Win. Fight! Win! Kill! Kill! Win! Yes!
キスは俺もいいや。大丈夫。やる気はあっから。
あら。
俺は初めてのチューは誰にするか決めてんだ。その人のために肉片だかなんだかを集めてよ。銃の悪魔をぶっ殺すまでキスはしねえ。
はあ。アキくんの前でそれを言うか。
それに俺は大切なことを教わった。エッチなことは理解し合った人間同士でするから気持ちがいいんだ。名前も知らねえあんたの唇には興味ないね。
King?
じゃあデンジ君が悪魔を倒したらベロ入れたキスしてあげる。
He's the fucking stupid ass hyena personified from Lion King, I swear to God.
何のコーナー聞けんな。止まれ。
I got shit to do.
どうしようどうしよう。血が飲みたい。
危険だ。止まれって言ってるだろ。俺は半年間姫野先輩に鍛えられ世話になった。それをどうぞのチンピラに唇を奪われるくらいならほっぺのキスは俺がもらう。どきや野郎がくっついてくんじゃねえ。気持ち悪い。 姫野先輩、新人たちは使えそうですか？
新井君は実力不足だけどやる気は十分って感じ。小紅ちゃんは引っ込み思案だけどかなり動けるか
Seven
も。
moves, but she's really timid.
アキ君はこの新人4人生き残れると思う？
No.
こいつは強いなと思ったやつもそうでないやつも1年あれば死ぬか民間に行きます。
答えになってないな。アキ君は死なないでね。
Well, I watched my family die in front of me. That sucked. The crows are bad omens.
姫野、お前の新しいバディだ。ブレーダーが少しは使えるように育てた。うまくやれ。
These two together are
俺はアキ、
cute.
よろしく。
You see I'm staring longingly at dead people, right? This probably isn't the best time to introduce yourself to me. Just saying, it'd probably be better for you to wait maybe like 5 minutes.
君を使えるの？
さあ、まあ。
私のバディ、君で6人目。
Yeah.
全員死んでるの。使えない雑魚だから全員死んだ。
That happens.
アキ君は死なないでね。
I won't.
しかしよ、悪魔なんてどこにもいねえじゃねえか。お前が持ってた肉片本当に信用できんのか？
The devil's gonna be where you least expect him. Like up those stairs!
アキ君。来る。
Or in front of us. How do they know? Oh, that's how. That's an easy way to tell. Oh, she can use the fucking force. Okay. That's insane. Oh, Ghost Devil.
私の右目を食べさせた代わりにゴーストの右手を使えるってわけ。
Dope.
私のゴースト、透明で力持ちで便利でしょ。
So I feel like that's only gonna help so much. Like, you stopped it, but what if you're not that strong?
どうアキ君、銃野郎の肉片はある？
強い反応はなし。こいつじゃないですね。
そっか。じゃあ上の階に行くか。
さっきみたいにわしの前で己の力をペラペラ喋ってよいのか？うぬらがおるのはわしを制御するためじゃろ。
力を知ってた方が連携取れやすいでしょ。それに切り札は隠してるからオッケーオッケー。
ほんとかの？じゃあわしがこいつを殺すと言ったらどうする？
武器を引っ込めな。悪いことしたらいつでも首を絞め殺せるぞ。
触れない。
Worth it.
めんどくさいから仲良くやろうよ。
俺とキスすんだから。
Just Denji being like, serves you right.
お前たちまだ悪魔が潜んでるんだぞ。もう少し静かに。
Oh, someone's dead.
俺。
Maybe run.
どうした？俺たち今8階から9階。どうした？俺たち今。
So I'm trying to listen to the background, but goddamn. Fuck your own ass,
ここ
stupid.
も8階ですよ。
見間違いじゃねえの？
違う。何かがおかしい。確認してくれ。
決めた。ステーキにして食ってやるわ。
ステーキ？俺ステーキ食ってみて。
Oh. He's
荒井
stuck.
君、今階段降りていったよね。
あ？
Oh, we're in a trap. And she's dead. Oh! Oh, we're going into mindfuck territory. I like how it's just a bunch of mindfuck stuff. Dope. At the end of this series, I should rewatch all the endings and rank them from worst to best. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Who the fuck is that simp? Oh, that was Denji? It looks dope. Okay, that's the end. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't mind, just like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to answer the question of the day. What is your little goal every day that's small, but it's important to you? Mine is, my little goal is just going outside. I always find myself staying inside too much. But that's just me. Peace out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see all of you tomorrow.